I've been scared for me. Said, how can you smile when your world is crumbling down? I said, in my secret, when I wanna cry, I take a look around and I see that I'm getting by, and I hold on. Change is coming. Hold on. Don't worry about a thing. Hold on. You can make it. Hold on. Everything. Some people like to worry. Some people like to hide. Some people like to run away from the pain inside. Now it's your business. Do whatever you wanna do, but if it don't work out, here's what you ought to do. Now just hold on. Change is coming. Hold on. Tomorrow. Hold on. You can make it. Hold on. Everything. The troubles of life weigh you down to victory. The love you see is hard.